Okay, this is the featuring.
No, I think we should do the thing here.
Whatever. Whatever. All right. So this is the beginning of dog scootering, or dog sledding, or land sledding. Let's start it now. This is our dog. Hey, come back here. Stop. You. Stop. Dang it. Ugh. There he is. Stop moving so much. This is our dog, Baby. Baby, look. His full name is Baby Valentino. Oh, shoot. Tino. Not Baby Valentino. Oh, shoot, Tino. Okay. His name is Baby Valentino. He's a mini schnauzer. And this is my friend Elizabeth. She's obviously human.
Yeah, obviously.
What about me? And that's Alex. Alex?
Alex the retarded.
Yes, a fool. No, this is a fool.
Baby. All right, so
Who's a good boy?
now we will show you the dog
the art of dog scootering. First, you attach a leash to a scooter,
and then
you do this. Okay, come on, baby.
baby, follow heading.
Baby.
Go.
The art of dog scootering. Available now for free. Hey, come back. The camera can't see you. And 3, 2, 1, here they are. The dog sledding champ. Hi, baby. Hey.
Hi.
That ends our featuring video of dog sledding. See you next time. The end.